Should you upgrade to the iPhone 16? Here's what you need to know. Hey everyone, if you're as obsessed with Apple's latest tech as I am, then you're gonna love this. The iPhone 16 is just around the corner, and while Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, we've got some juicy leaks that could help you decide if this is the year to upgrade your phone. Let's dive in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. All right, so here's the lowdown. According to the Apple Hub, we've got some leaked specs and prices for all four iPhone 16 models. Now, remember, these are still rumors, but they're detailed enough to give us a pretty good idea of what's coming. First up, let's talk screens. The iPhone 16 will have a 6.1-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Plus is expected to feature a larger 6.7-inch screen. If you're into the Pro models, the iPhone 16 Pro might come with a 6.3-inch display, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max could boast a massive 6.9-inch screen. These sizes are slightly bigger for the Pro models compared to last year, giving you even more screen real estate for everything you love. And what about battery life? The rumors suggest we can expect a 3,561 mAh battery for the iPhone 16, a 4,006 mAh battery for the iPhone 16 Plus, a 3,355 mAh battery for the iPhone 16 Pro, and a 4,676 mAh battery for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's an upgrade in battery capacity across the board, except for the Plus model, which is slightly down from last year. Still, with these numbers, most models should easily get you through the day, even with heavy use. Is the pricing worth it? Now, let's get to the prices because this might just make or break your decision. The iPhone 16 is expected to start at $799, while the iPhone 16 Plus might be priced at $899. The iPhone 16 Pro Max could come in at $1,199, but here's where things get interesting. The iPhone 16 Pro might start at $1,099, which is $100 more than last year's iPhone 15 Pro. The reason? It seems the 128 gigabytes model is being scrapped. So the base model will now offer 256 gigabytes of storage. You're getting more storage, but it's still a price increase to consider. What else? In case you're wondering about other features, the leaks hint at Wi-Fi 7 support, an upgraded 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera on the Pro models, and 8 gigabytes of RAM across all iPhone 16 models. These might not be groundbreaking changes, but if you're looking for a performance boost and love having the latest tech, they're definitely worth considering. The big question, should you upgrade? So, should you upgrade? If you're using an older iPhone or you're a tech enthusiast who loves having the latest gear, the iPhone 16 could be worth it. However, if you already have the iPhone 15, you might want to hold off unless these upgrades are exactly what you've been waiting for. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about these leaks? Are you planning to upgrade or will you stick with what you've got? Drop a comment below and don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. And of course, subscribe for more Apple updates. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.